Let's see how you can automate smart AI replies for your Instagram posts. Start from your main Krosspost.ai dashboard and head over to the autoresponder tool in the left-hand menu. Next, select the specific post you want to work with and enable the auto reply switch. Then click Finish Setup under Smart FAQs. Here, you can upload a document, such as a PDF guide, to provide the AI with background context about your reel. Click Start Analyzing and let the algorithm extract the relevant information. Once the analysis is complete, it will automatically generate a list of tailored FAQs. Review the questions, provide your answers, and click Save Final Setup. With your comment automation ready, it's time to set up your direct messages. Scroll down and click Finish Setup under the Setup Instagram Automation section. In this panel, you can define trigger keywords, for example, price, and enable the follower gate option, which asks users to follow your account before receiving a response. Finally, draft your automated primary DM message at the bottom. Click Publish Automation, and your post will be fully optimized.